Hi everyone. So I've been working on my mixed reality firefighting app, and I'm really excited to show you something that's being added to it. So last year at AWE, I met up with a company called Scentient, and they kindly sent me a prototype of what they've been working on. And this allows you to add smells through Unity, standalone device, so it hooks up to your Quest to add smells to your applications. So once connected using the SDK, this is it in action. And it's just brilliant. When you get close to this fire, you actually smell the smoke from it. And it just adds an extra level of immersion I haven't experienced before. It's quite difficult to see on camera, so I filmed it outside as well, and you can just see the wisps that come out of the device. So this is the admin side of my application, just to show you how it's put together. I'm using this collider, which you can see. And then when you put your head inside it, this is what triggers. I've used a chime so I can actually hear as well as smell, just to add that extra level of notification. So putting everything together, we got the Logitech pen working as the extinguisher, doing the haptics, and the Scentient device producing the smell of the plastic burning. It's a great level of immersion, which I just love with this application. So this is what it looks like on the new version. I have the prototype, which only has 4 pods. This one will have 6 pods, and they drop straight into the device, nice and easy to use. All different aromas that you can order from them. I'm just using 2 different smokes. This is a great device. I'm really excited to see what else I can do with it, and I'll probably do a follow-up video of how I put this together a bit more.